Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Google One account on your laptop or your mobile. So first of all, let's talk about what is Google One. Basically, Google One is a storage service. By using this Google One, you increase your storage capacity of Google account. By default, every Google account user get a 15 GB storage free. And if you want to increase your Google storage, you use this Google One service. If you go to Google One website, for example one.google.com, and here you get different information related to Google One. Here is the different information related to Google One. One membership to get more out of Google One. Expanded storage access to expert and more all in one shareable plan. Here you get all these information about Google One, and here is the space for everyone. You also share this space with your family members and friends, and room to grow all your Google service that you are using. For example, Google Drive, Google Photos, Google Docs, Google Sheet, etc. And you want to increase your storage capacity, so you use this Google One service. This is very helpful service, and if you want to increase your storage capacity, and your life is uncompressed. And here is the all these features of Google One service: safe and secure, and plus new benefit access Google, and expert on tab away a little something extra, and so on. So how to sign up with Google One? So here is sign up. Here is the sign up for Google One. Google One is a membership plan for expanded storage, include extra benefit to help you to get out of Google. Here is the main feature of Google One. First one is expanded storage, and other benefits is after joining Google One, member can receive benefits in place like Google Play and Google Store. Some benefits are only for the Google One members. Other benefits apply to everyone in the Google One member family group, and enhanced customer supports and family friendly plans. So these are the main feature. So the most important is expanded your storage capacity of Google account. So here is about Google One membership plan, and here is the different Google plans, and here is 100 GB payment monthly and yearly everyone, 2 GB 200 GB monthly and yearly everyone, 2 terabyte, and so on. These are the storage plan. You, if you want to buy this, you select this. And how to sign up? You need a Google account. I show everyone his Google account, and if you not, you create your Google account first to use this Google One service, and then start using Google One. Second step is all Google accounts get a 15 GB storage for free, and if you want to more storage access to Google Expert, special benefits and other Google One feature, you need to upgrade your another plan. On your computer, make sure you sign up with your Google account and then go to the one.google.com and here is the one.google.com, and go to the plan section, and here is the different section. If you want to increase your storage to 100 GB, then you select this plan, and if you want more storage, select this 200 GB, and premium is 2 terabyte. And here is the different feature and facilities you get after using this plan. So simply click on this plan and select this one, and click on agree, and then you add your payment method, and then click on confirm, and you are using Google One account, premium account, and your storage capacity will be increased. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any question related to Google One, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next